Hi, my name is James. I am a graduate student from the Interaction Design program at Carnegie Mellon University. I am part of, the design part of the Firenze competition, and it's been a wonderful experience. So the story and how we all got here. So I think the Firenze BXT competition was first pitched primarily to the business school. And it was really the business school students that started recruiting and asking for designers. Saw a random email, decided to meet it up with one of the business MBA students. We had a really good chat, and we seemed to align really well, and we kind of just started from there. It was very interesting because when the case landed, the business students really turned to me and said, "You're going to have to lead us through this. We have no idea what's going on. It's very fuzzy. It's very fuzzy. We have absolutely, there's not any hard evidence or case. Like, what do we do?" And from a design perspective, that's we love that, right? We love the open-endedness. It's where all the creativity really comes in. So we spent most of the time we spent was really like getting everybody to ask the same question or on the same problem before even moving forward. And once we kind of found the right space that we're all working on, it actually just felt like dominoes. It was. We, especially at Carnegie Mellon Design, we have a very strong emphasis on design methodologies and design process. So it was very easy for us to just all right, we should do this, we gotta do this, let's figure out what we're finding, let's actually create a product out of this. So it worked out really well, and I think the results speak for themselves. So I guess one of the biggest things I'm gonna take away from this experience really has been, to me personally, I'm very interested in design, evangelizing design. And a couple of things. I think it's great to see Microsoft starting to at least believe that design has things to contribute, not just in making things, but actually in setting the strategy and helping guide and navigate a huge problem set or something really, really fuzzy. So one, that's a very practical thing, but the fact that a company is now very much believing in design, I think is good for all humanity, maybe all designers. So that's definitely something. I guess more practically, I'm certainly going to take away the experience I've had with the opportunity that I've been given to actually work with people that's outside of my department. We don't get that very often, and it's not very often we get people to work together and are that passionate about something. And usually we do side projects, and it's we'll do some research, get fizzled out. But this one, especially, I think everybody was very passionate about. We really, we took less classes this semester to work more on this project. And I think I certainly paid off in terms of just the experience and everything, even what we produced. So.